everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about the brushes a beginner should have, and it's not necessary at all that a beginner should have all the brushes like contour ka alag, blush ka alag, highlighter ka alag. No, it's not like that. You should have a right brush that can be used in a different ways. Like I can use this brush for my contour, for my highlight, and for setting my under eyes as well. So I can use this brush in 3 different ways, and I can totally understand that we can't invest so much money on the brushes in starting. So here I am talking about the brushes. So if you want to know, then keep watching. Alright, so I'm gonna go step by step. So the first and the second step is to apply moisturizer and then the primer, which can be applied easily by our fingers. So we don't need any extra brush for these 2 steps. Alright, so moving on to the third step, which is concealer. You can apply concealer by using either beauty blender or you can use brush as well. But let's talk about the brush. So for the concealer, you need this type of small slant brush which can be used for your liquid blush, for your cream contour as well. And you can easily blend your concealer in your inner corner as well and on other parts of your face also. So here I am using the same brush which I have used for concealer for my liquid blush. Alright, so moving on to the next step, which is foundation, and for that also you can use either beauty blender or the brush. It totally depends on you that what type of coverage you want. If you want to go for natural coverage, use beauty blender. But if you want a little more coverage, then you should go for foundation brush. So for the foundation brush, you need this type of flat brush, and I have used this brush, that's why it is looking dirty, so please ignore that. It can really blend your foundation very well, and it depends on the bristles quality also. Here I am using Wet n Wild brush. Alright, so moving on to the next step, which is setting your under eyes by using loose powder, and for that you need this type of packing brush. It really sets your eyes very well, and you can use this brush for your contour and for your highlight also. It's like you can use this single brush in 3 different ways. I really love this. Alright, so moving on to the next step, which is compact powder, and for that you need this type of brush. This is flat as well as fluffy also, as you can see. So I can use this brush in 2 different ways. So I can use this brush for setting my face and for the blush also. Alright, so we have covered all the face brushes, like we have covered foundation brush, concealer brush, for setting your loose powder, for setting your compact powder, contour brush, blush brush, highlight brush. So moving on to the eye brushes, you don't need 8 to 10 brushes for creating look. You just need 3 to 4 brushes for creating a wonderful eye look. So the brushes which I am going to tell you, you can create any eye look by using these brushes. So the first brush is small pencil brush, and you can use this brush for your under eyes, for your inner corner highlighter, for brow bone highlighter, and today I have used this brush for creating this crease line. Alright, so please ignore my eyes now, क्योंकि मेरी मम्मी ने प्याज काट लिया है तो उसके चक्कर में मेरी आईज ऐसी हो गई है. Let's ignore it. So the next brush we have is this fluffy brush. It totally depends कि आपका eye में इधर gap कितना है. If you have small gap, then you should go for small fluffy brush, but if you have large area like my eyes, then you need to go for large fluffy brush. And here I am using PAC 222 222 brush. Alright, so the third brush we have is this small flat brush, and I use this brush for smudge eyeliner and for glitters also. Like for glitters you can totally use your fingers, but जब जहाँ बात आती है कि like हमें line बनानी है, you can't use your fingers. So for that you need this type of brush. Alright, so the fourth and the last eye brush we have is this small thin eyeliner brush. You need to see that कि आपका जो eyeliner brush हो वो इतना ज़्यादा पतला हो, then only you can draw a winged eyeliner. And by using this type of brush you can do cut crease also, and you can use this brush for your lipstick as well. So it's And the last brush we have is this eyebrow brush. We have spoolie one side and on the other side we have brush. and you can use this brush for your eyeliner, for your cut crease also. So it's totally depend upon you that you want to invest in two different brushes or you need only one brush. Alright, so you need to remember one more thing, and that is जो आप brush multiple use में ले रहे हो, you need to clean that brush after each step. And how I clean is, I take clean tissue paper and a brush which I am using for multiple use. I just rub it with the light hand. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and see you in next video. Bye bye.